Hi guys, do you know that the best way to send applications on your phone to another person is not through Send It, it's not through WhatsApp, it's not through Xender. Yes, you don't necessarily have to use those applications. Now, just go to your phone. Let me explain to you how you can do that without using Xender. Just put off your data, let your phone be on airplane mode if you are using Android. Let your phone be on airplane mode, then click on the menu. When you click on the menu, go to Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, please follow me. Click on your mail and you're going to see this part, manage apps and devices. Now you can see my phone is on airplane mode. So manage apps and devices, then you click on send. So you have another phone that will be receiving. You don't necessarily have to put on your data, just put it on airplane mode. Then click on the app you want to send. If I'm sending the dictionary, then I'll click this part, send. So the other phone I'll go to receive. On the other phone I'll go to receive. So the moment I'm clicking send here on the other phone, and I'll click on receive. So that transfers my application to the other phone without stress.